Hello and welcome to a TechRide portal demonstration. Today we are going to be looking at products and items under the menu setup. First thing we're going to look at is how to create a new product. I'm going to press a button on the top right, and this is the page where you can display name change, add the POS SKU, add the description or nutritional facts if you would like for the product so customers can see. You can add a high resolution picture or video if you would like of the item so that customers can see. This can be chosen from a file in your computer. You then can assign this item to different menus by simply clicking the boxes on the left. And finally, you can add this item to different categories you've created. The Action tab. This is your one-stop shop for anything you want to do on the fly in bulk selection or single selection. So for example, if I want to assign an item to a menu, I'm going to click that as the action. I'm going to select the menu that you want it to be done to. So I'm going to do all day menu, for example. And I'm then going to click the item I want it to be done to. So if I'm looking at crab, for example, I'm going to check it off on the left side here. And then I'm going to click save. Same process if I wanted to remove it from a menu. Note that this action would automatically 86 the item from all digital menus, including third-party sites, so you're saving a lot of time and labor hours. If I wanted to assign an item to a category, I'm going to click Assign to Category. I'm going to click the category I want the item to be assigned to. So if we're sticking with crab, I'm going to click Popular Items. I'm then going to check it off on the left side by ticking it and then pressing save. Same process if I wanted to remove it from category. Click the item and then check it off and press save. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the availability of a product. So if I click the action here, I'm going to click the availability tab on the top left. Say, for example, you have this as a special for a certain day. So it's only going to be available on Sundays from 3 to 4, a specific item. What I can do is set a from date. So if I'm the 4th of September to the 4th of December, as this is just a one-time limited edition sort of meal. I'm then going to click the time, so I can type in 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and then I can click the specific days I want this to be shown. So if I only want it Sunday, I'm going to tick off Sunday and press add. So now I have this availability on Sundays from 3 to 4 on a specific day. Simply click update and it is done. Next, we're going to be looking at adding modifiers. I'm going to go to baby back ribs, medium, and I'm going to click edit. I'm then going to click price setup. Here is where you can add modifier groups. If I click this, I will be able to add different customization options that the customer can pick on Orderapp. What I mean by that is, for example, if I want to have a modifier for meat temperatures, customers like their cooked differently. We can add this level of customization so they can choose which cook they'd like. You can also choose this as a requirement so they can't move forward until they pick one of these modifiers, or you can keep it optional so there will be a baseline, so if they do not choose this, medium rare will just be chosen for them. You can also add a minimum and maximum of how many modifiers you can choose. So if this is a sides modifier, for example, a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 3 can be chosen under this modifier. Simply click Save Modifier Group and it will be done. Next, I'm going to show you how to modify the price of what is shown on the POS. If I'm looking at crab here, for example, it's only $4 and I wanted to change that. I'm going to click under Edit, and if I wanted to do it right now, I would click Price Setup, but it does not allow me to click the price. What I have to do is go back to the basic tab and check off price override. I then can go back to price setup and change this to a number of my choice. So I will choose $15, for example. And then I will click update, and it is saved and done. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the position of an item on Orderapp itself. So first, we're going to select a category. I'm going to choose hot coffee, for example, and I'm going to press search. Here we have a couple of options here. And if I wanted to show double espresso over the cappuccino, for example, I'm going to click and hold the item, and I'm going to drag it above the cappuccino. I'm then going to place this item, and then I have to press update position in order for this to update on Orderapp. If you just leave it like this, it will not update. So then press update position, and as you can see now, the double espresso is above the cappuccino. That is going to be the end of this tutorial. Thank you.